Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make quick biscuits. Start with the right ingredients for perfect quick biscuits. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 6 tablespoons of very cold unsalted butter, and 3/4 of a cup of cold milk. Having everything measured and ready makes the process much smoother. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure it's hot and ready for baking. First, combine your dry ingredients: 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Whisk them well in a large bowl. Next, add the 6 tablespoons of very cold butter, cutting it into the flour mixture using a pastry blender or your fingertips until it resembles coarse crumbs. Finally, pour in 3/4 of a cup of cold milk, mixing gently until a shaggy dough forms. Avoid overmixing for tender biscuits. Now, turn your shaggy dough out onto a lightly floured surface. Gently pat it down with your hands until it's about 1/2 inch thick. Try not to overwork the dough, as this can make your biscuits tough. Use a 2-inch biscuit cutter, pressing straight down without twisting, to create perfectly round biscuits. This technique helps them rise evenly and beautifully in the oven. Arrange your cut biscuits on an ungreased baking sheet, leaving a little space between them. Bake them in your preheated 425 degree Fahrenheit oven for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown on top. The aroma will be incredible. Once baked, remove them from the oven and serve them warm. They are absolutely delicious with butter, jam, or even a savory gravy. Enjoy your quick, homemade biscuits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.